Hello, how to solve this radical problem? We have square root of t power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3. We are solving for all values of t that satisfies this equation. Now, if you have square root of a, this equals a power 1 over 2. So square root of t power 3 is the same thing as t to the power of 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2. And this equals square root of 2 power 3 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now, let's consider this identity. If you have a power n raised to the power of n, this equals a power n raised to the power of n. Applying this identity right here and here, that means the powers here will switch, and this also. So we are simply going to have t power 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3, and this equals 2 power 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. So right now, consider this identity. If you have a power 1 over 2, this equals square root of a. So t power 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root of t, and this is raised to the power of 3 equals 2 power 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root of 2, and this is raised to the power of 3. So from here, I can decide to move this over here. It becomes negative. So I have square root of t raised to the power of 3 minus square root of 2 raised to the power of 3. This equals 0. So right now, there's power 3 here, there's power 3 here, there's minus here. Let's consider this identity. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. And our a equals square root of t, and b equals square root of 2. So let's make use of that. We are simply going to have square root of t minus root 2. That is a minus b times square root of t power 2 plus square root of t times square root of 2 plus square root of 2 to the power of 2, and this equals 0. So from here, what you are going to have is square root of t minus square root of 2 times this cancel this. You have t plus this times this square root of 2t plus this cancel this. You have 2, and this equals 0. So right now you can equate each of these to 0. You have square root of t minus square root of 2 equals 0, or you have t plus square root of 2t plus 2 equals 0. For this, I move this over here. I will have square root of t equals square root of 2. This cancel this. That means my t equals 2. That's the first solution. So let's solve this. I have t plus square root of 2t plus 2 equals 0. Let's move t and 2 across this equality sign. We have square root of 2t equals, this is minus 2 minus t. So we can take the squares of the part of this equation in order to eliminate the square root. We have square root of 2t raised to the power of 2 equals minus 2 minus t raised to the power of 2. Please cancel this. We have 2t equals, this is minus 2 minus t times minus 2 minus t. So from here, we have 2t equals, this multiply this out, this times this. This is 4 plus 2t plus 2t plus t power 2. So we have 2t equals 4 plus 4t plus t power 2. Now I move this over here. I have 0 equals, this is 4 plus 4t plus t power 2 minus 2t. So from here, I have 0 equals 4, this minus this is plus 2t plus t power 2. So let's rearrange this. I have t squared plus 2t plus 4 equals 0. So this becomes a quadratic equation that we are going to solve for the other values of t. So let's write the formula. T equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So this is 1, that is my a, this is b, this is c. I have t equals negative b, that is negative 2, plus or minus square root of b squared to power 2 minus 4 times a, that is 4 times 1 times c, that is 4, divided by 2 times 1. So from here, I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of, this is 4 minus 16 divided by 2. So from here, I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16, that is negative 12 divided by 2. So from here, I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus, we have square root of negative 1 times square root of 12 divided by 2. So from here, I can simply have it as negative 2 plus or minus, this is I times square root of 12. I can express it as 4 times 3 divided by 2. From here, I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4, that is 2 root 3 divided by 2. So from here, you can easily cancel this, cancel this, cancel this. T equals 9 minus 1 plus or minus I root 3. So I have two values for t. Two complex values. I have t equals negative 1 plus I root 3. I also have this is t2. And t3 equals negative 1 minus I root 3. Now in total we have 3 different solutions. We also have one real solution, which is t equals 2, this one here. So that is it. That is how you can solve it. If you want to check, you simply insert a real value for t. Remember, you have t equals 2. So if you have square root of t power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3, if you insert this value for t, you have square root of 2 power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3. And 2 power 3, that is 2 times 2 times, that is 8. You have square root of 8 equals square root of 8. So that is how you can check, and this equals this. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Kindly share this video, drop a comment in the comment box. Thank you, and see you again. Thank you.